Should we open it? Oh my God. I've never gotten PR from ColourPop before. I mean, when I got the email, it was like disbelief. I was like, wait a minute, is this real? This looks real. I checked the email address. I was like, that's not like a weird Gmail. Like, that's real. Yes, I accept. Thank you. Oh my God. Oh, it is. It's the Christmas. Can I just say that I have tried my hardest. Anytime something comes up with their Christmas collection, I've tried not to look because I didn't want to see it. Let me rephrase. I wanted to see it, but I wanted to see it when I got it, which is now. This is the Frosty the Snowman collection. So clearly, I had to go get my Frosty hat. It's like the cutest thing. The cutest thing I've ever seen. I mean, this is a big collection. Look, there he is. Oh my God, I love it so much. I am in like full Halloween mode right now, so getting in the Christmas spirit is odd, but I'm here for it. So let's just start. Like, clearly there will be another video, like actually like testing stuff out. This is just unboxing, and I didn't put anything on my lips because I knew there was going to be like some sort of lip situation. What is this? Candy cane, lip mask, and scrub duo. How precious. I mean, packaging. Can I? Y'all, look at it. It is so cute. Like, talk about Gen X nostalgia. If that's you, like, you're going to love it. Oh, it smells good. This is the mask, and this is the scrub. I'm going to put the mask on. Oh, it had a plastic. No wonder I didn't smell anything. Ooh, it's kind of minty. Minty fresh. And a lot of this is like cool tone, obviously, you know, the colors and the vibes from the movie. I'm always drawn to like cool tone colors. Okay, next we have Jelly. What does this say? Oh no, this is Super Shock Highlighter Duo. Oh my God. Icy highlighters in pearly white and pink. White and lavender tie-dye for a luminous glow. Oh yeah. Let's see. Ooh, it's soft. Oh, I like that. Gorge. Oh, it is. Look at. Look how fun. See, one of the things I like about ColourPop, I mean, not only are their products good, but, you know, they always try to come up with different stuff and like just mix it up, even though it's, you know, some of the same type of products. I love that they like mix it up. Oh, here's the jelly thing. Jelly Much Eyeshadow Duo. I'm a little concerned about the jelly. Like, what is that about? I can't get it out. Oh, pull the whole thing, Amber. In case you're new here, my name's Amber Wood, over 40, makeup mom. I'm 48 years old, 2 little kids, former NFL cheerleader. Love the packaging. It's kind of a glass thing. What is this? Jelly, as in peanut butter and? Look at it. Oh my God, I love that color. Ooh, 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 ooh. Yeah, it is. Oh, that frosty blue is gorgeous. Oh, and this one's kind of a pinky color. I can open it. Oh, yes. It's almost like pinky lavender. That is so neat. I can't wait to try these on, like on my actual eyeballs. Look at it. How cute is that? But not only is it cute, it's color changing. It says like from, you know, temperature wise, it'll change from the pale blue or light blue, baby blue, to white when wet with warm water. Which obviously when you use a new sponge, you're supposed to wet it anyway. Aw, look at him. How fun is that? I don't know how good that's going to be, you know, getting up in there, but oh God, I had to take that hat off. I was getting hot. I live in Texas, so it's still pretty warm right now. Comment what you think about this collection so far. I'm loving it. I think it's the cutest thing ever. We've got some, you know, fun packaging. What is this? Plumping Gloss Bomb Trio. Oh, I'm nervous about the plumping. These are beautiful colors, though. Look at those colors. And is it like a clicker? Hold on. Oh, it is. Click from the bottom. Let's see. I'm just always worried about plumping. Oh gosh, that's gorge. You know, is it gonna burn my lips or what? Those are pretty. Frozen, all melted, feeling like Frosty. Looks like we have 2 lip kits. Kind of a berry color and then a nude. Reporting back. not burning my lips. It's more minty, minty, which I enjoy. So I think it's just like, you know, a lip pencil and a lipstick for both. Gorge. Look at that. Pretty, pretty, pretty. Lip pencil. Let's look at the other one. Samesies. Darker lip pencil. Kind of a berry color. Love it. I don't want to use this pencil like right now. Got that stuff on my side of my face. I probably should have put this on top. Hold on. Let me wipe it off and then put the lipstick on. Okay, yeah, I didn't do that right. Oh, this goes on so smooth. Easy peasy. It says perfect red. I thought it was more of a berry color, but maybe I'm wrong. I mean, it's reddish. Red and berry. A red berry. Good for holiday parties, you know, or just if you want to give it to them. If you're feeling it that day. That is pretty. I'm just putting this on top. Make it look a little glossy. Those colors together are nice. Piece de resistance. We've got the palette. Okay, you got 15 shades. Definitely all the cool tone moments. Oh, this is so cute. 'Tis the season to be freezing. Oh my gosh, look at that taupe moment. I love a good taupe. Oh, I can't wait. Something happened with the video here. It got corrupted or something, but thank you so much, ColourPop. I'm very excited. Oh my God, look at those shimmers. They're so good. Yay!